This quick honest review is of the Mr. Siga Toilet Plunger with holder. Let me show you. I needed to replace a toilet plunger recently and was looking around for one that was going to be a good quality and found this Mr. Siga one. Here's what I like about it. You don't need to touch any of the areas inside the thing unless you're actually trying to clean it. What it does is, I'll just show you here because this doesn't take much. You just push down on it and it opens up. Take the plunger out, plunge the toilet, and you're ready to put it back in. You just put it in, push down a little, and done. Never have to touch it. Brilliant. Basically brilliant. The plunger again, the plumbers out there would know all the ins and outs of this, but some of them are just sort of up to there. This has this extra part here at the bottom that seems to work much better for unclogging. I guess it gives a much better suction if a toilet should get clogged up. The handle as well. This is a nice, easy to grip. Overall, I'm very, very impressed with this toilet plunger. Never thought I would say that, but price point. On Amazon, they run for about $24. Very good value. And yes, I know there are cheaper ones. You can get some for like, $10-12, half the price. But certainly not as good. Comes in the box, shows you how to work it. I mean, it's very, very quick and easy to set up. You just screw the handle in and that's it. Really, really easy. Great product and highly recommended. So yeah, definitely big 2 thumbs up for this product. Mr. Siga Toilet Plunger with holder. Thanks for watching Quick Honest Reviews.